What is up everybody, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will talk about how you can download an application which says this application required iOS 13, 14 or later. Well, ever since your iPhone 5, 5s and 5C start receiving that update from Apple, they're having problem downloading the newer version of application which requires iOS 13, 14 or later. Therefore, in this video we're going to go ahead and show you how easily you can download this application just by following a magical way. Now let's go ahead and get started the video. Alright guys, now to fix this problem, the first things you want to do is simple. Go ahead and grab an iPhone which is running iOS 14 or later to fix this problem. Now you simply can grab your family member's iPhone or your friend's iPhones just to make it work. Now on your newer iPhones, all you gotta do is just go ahead and open up your settings and log in with that same Apple ID which you're using on your old iPhone. After you logged in with the same Apple account on your new iPhones, all you want to do is go ahead and download the same applications on your iPhones. I mean the newer iPhones. Now what I'll do, I'll open up that App Store and then I'll just search for this application that I was trying to download. So let me just get out of here and I'll open up that App Store, and this was the application that I was trying to download, but it didn't work, by the way. So what I'll do, I'll just search this application called Light Leap. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and download it. Tap install, enter your password, tap sign in. Now this application has started downloading on this iPhone. Now go ahead and wait unless your application get downloaded on your new iPhone. Now after you have downloaded these applications on your new iPhone or the other iPhone which is running iOS 14 or later, now all you gotta do just go ahead and get back working with your old iPhone. So let me just leave this iPhone right over here, and just in a moment you'll be able to see this icon right here which is the download icon. It means it has been downloaded already, but the thing is the apps was downloaded on that iPhone. Now all you want to do, just go ahead and hit that download button from your old iPhone, and just in a moment you will see this download option appears. Now just go ahead and tap download, and in just a moment you'll be able to see your apps will get start downloading on your iPhone. So let me just go ahead and wait unless the download process is done. Alright guys, now after downloading the application, you simply can open it up. Now I'm just going to go ahead and get out of here, and just to show you whether the application is downloaded or not, so I'll just, and there you are. As you guys can see, the application has been installed on this iPhone. So what I'll do, I'll just tell you whether the application has installed from here or not. So as you guys can see that we got the same applications that we have downloaded previously on that iPhone, and we have later downloaded on our old iPhone. This is how you can download applications which is not compatible for your iPhone 5, 5s and 5C. Hope this video is useful guys. If you think so, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to get more useful video content for yourself. Thanks for watching and see you next time.